Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna go ahead and test my Sunjo pressure washer against my Plasti Dip that I did a couple weeks ago, just to see what happens. I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering what the durability is like with the Plasti Dip, especially if you go through like an automated car wash. But I think the best test today will be with the pressure washer. You can see it right there, and the Plasti Dip has been holding up pretty well. As you can see, it's a little dusty. Hopefully that picks up on the camera here. And it still looks good, like the day I first sprayed it. Other than that, go ahead and just do a regular wash, pressure wash both the emblems, and see how this goes. Okay, I've gone ahead and screwed up the emblem a few more times. Looks like it's still sticking on there pretty well. And of course, the big test will be the pressure washer once it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the rest of the car down before the soap dries off, and then we'll go ahead and wash her off. Alright guys, got everything else washed down except the back. Obviously got a little soap. So I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash both the emblems, see how this goes. Well, no peeling. I don't feel anything on the edges. The Honda emblem as well. I mean, look at that squeaky clean sound, right? Still there on perfectly well. And yeah, it looks good. It looks really good. So there you go. I think the Plasti Dip passes the first pressure washer car wash test. Alright, she's all washed up guys, and as you can tell, here is the emblems. The Civic badge still looking good from the Plasti Dip even after a wash with the pressure washer and a mitten wash, as well as the Honda badge. So that is it right there guys. Civic's looking good, looking clean. I appreciate you guys checking out my video. Hopefully this gives a little bit of assurance that Plasti Dip is a little bit more durable than we think. I know it's made out of plastic, a thin film, but it's holding up pretty well in the sun with the pressure washer. Had it for a few, I think what, month or so? So it's looking good so far. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.